30 newly elected councillors from the Georgetown Municipality from both the Partnership for National Unity and People's Progressive Party Civic via a hand-raising voting mechanism chose their mayoral candidates. APNU's Alfred Mentore acquired 19 votes while PPPC Odayson Ashby acquired 11. Denise Miller of APNU was elected as Deputy Mayor. Stephen Jacobs, Jainarang Singh, Mohammed Ishfihani, Pagu Singh, Dion Young, Odayson Ashby, Rudolph Dial, Patricia Chase Green, and Bishram Bipat are among the PPP newly elected councillors for Georgetown.
The office of the City Councillor.
For the City of Georgetown.
For the City of Georgetown.
Without fear or favor.
Without fear or favor.
Affection of ill will.
Affection of ill will.
According to the best of my judgment and ability.
Affection of ill will.
According to the best.
According to the best.
Of my judgment and ability.
Of my judgment and ability.
The office of City Councillor. The office of City Councillor. For the City of Georgetown. For the City of Georgetown. Without time. Faithfully execute. The office of City Councillor.
The office of City Councillor.
For the City of Georgetown.
For the City of Georgetown.
Without fear or favor.
Without fear or favor.
Affection or ill will.
I, Patricia Chase Green,
Do swear that I
do swear that I
will faithfully execute
will faithfully execute
of my judgment and ability.
of my judgment and ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Kiwe Copeland, Travis Ellis, Dexter Fort, Troy Garraway, Clayton Hines, Tahirai Adams, and Keisha Sertima are among the elected councillors for APNU. The Mayor and City Council Financial Committee was also sworn in. It is chaired by Leland Saul. Meanwhile, Sharma Solomon and Dominic Blair were elected Mayor and Deputy Mayor, respectively, for the Linden Municipality. As for the Industry Pleasance Local Authority area, Zafar Ali was elected Chairman and Vanessa Ben Vice Chairman. Antonio Dey reporting for the HEP Nightly News.